Alright, you can't do this because if it does break loose, it's liable to break my vise. We ain't having that. Here's what we're going to do. Sometimes that's all it takes. A little extra leverage. Now we can put it back up in the vise since it's broke loose, because we're going to need to drain the fluid off. Now, if you look down in there, you'll see how bad them are. I'll get a pick and I'll... That's not supposed to do that. Alright, get that cleaned out. Tool doesn't always work. It would, but the problem is when I bought this set, it's supposed to have been a small, medium, and large. Well, I got a small and a large, and the one in the middle is the one I use the most. The trick is to do this without stabbing yourself and or busting the seal, which I did neither of. Now, this one I probably should have put in first. It's going to be a little trickier. You just let it, basically that just inverts it where it'll boop, pop right in. Done. Well, we'll have to get this off now. I did get a new O-ring for that. Just that one is a little flat. The wiper or the backup ring is still good. It's always a good idea to go away from what you're not replacing so you don't accidentally poke a hole in it. And then this one's going to be the fun one. I probably need to go get my gloves because this is a tight fit. And we're not replacing that. That one's fine. It's just this one. It'll probably be okay, but not gonna take a chance. That's why you want to wear gloves. Get down to the pokey stuff. Bad thing is now I don't need the gloves on for this because you got to be able to feel. Let's go ahead and put the gland on. And we tighten that nut and get that seal on without it moving around on us. Tight comes in. Doesn't take much. And that'll be good. I have had a few of these that this nut came off inside the cylinder, and they're a little fun to get out, but they can come out. Alright, now we want to lube all this stuff up good. And this grease will just dissolve in the hydraulic oil. been washed out. And there we go. We'll get the air a hold of that, make sure it runs in and out like it's supposed to.